Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennials channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to assign a photo to a contact on your iPhone. So first you tap on the photo and then you tap there and then you scroll down and tap on assign to contact. Then you search the name of your contact. So sorry, this is the wrong number. I'm gonna search for my cousin's name, and then I can just move and scale the photo and then tap choose, and then on the top right corner you can just tap update, and that's it. So I hope this video is useful and thank you for watching.